Restream Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing Restream, one of the most powerful multi-streaming platforms available today. Links to the product are added in the description below. If you're a content creator, business owner, or marketer looking to stream live on multiple platforms simultaneously, Restream makes it incredibly easy. The biggest advantage of Restream is its ability to broadcast to multiple platforms at once, including YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, Twitter, and more. This means you can maximize your reach without extra effort. The platform is cloud-based, so there's no need for downloads or additional software. You can stream directly from your browser, making it accessible and beginner-friendly. Restream offers two main ways to go live: Restream Studio and RTMP streaming. Restream Studio is an in-browser tool with an easy-to-use interface that lets you add guests, display chat messages, share your screen, and customize your branding with logos, overlays, and backgrounds. If you're using software like OBS Studio, vMix, or XSplit, Restream provides RTMP support, allowing you to send your stream through Restream and distribute it to multiple platforms. A major highlight is real-time chat integration, which consolidates messages from all platforms into one place. This allows you to interact with viewers across multiple platforms without switching tabs. Another great feature is pre-recorded streaming, where you can upload videos and schedule them to stream as if they were live. This is perfect for repurposing content or managing different time zones. Restream's free plan allows you to stream to multiple destinations, but comes with some limitations, like no 1080p streaming and a Restream watermark. The paid plans remove these restrictions and add features like custom branding, analytics, and multi-user access for teams. The Analytics dashboard is another useful tool, providing insights into viewership and engagement across platforms. The only downside is that Restream is reliant on your internet connection, since everything is streamed from the cloud. If you have a weak connection, it could impact performance. Additionally, some advanced customization options available in OBS or vMix are limited in Restream Studio. Overall, Restream is an excellent choice for multi-platform streaming. It's user-friendly, reliable, and packed with features that make live streaming easier and more professional. Whether you're a content creator, business, or educator, it's one of the best tools available for broadcasting to multiple platforms. Check out the links in the description to try it out today.